Hello guys, good evening everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Tonight we will discuss about the wiring diagram of battery 12 volts output. This is the symbol of battery 12 volts. This is 12 volts battery. This is a ground cable. Na-connect ang ground cable sa negative terminal sa battery. Ang positive terminal is connected sa punta to sa starting motor guys, doon sa solenoid switch terminal. This is a 12 volts battery, 12 volts output. Then another wiring diagram of battery series connection, 12 volts output, direct current. This is a battery 12 volts, and this is another battery 12 volts. This is a ground cable connected sa body. So body sa sasakyan guys. This is or doon sa body ground sa starting motor. This is negative. Then ang positive naka-connect sa positive terminal cable connected to other terminal sa another battery 12 volts negative. Then ang positive it connected sa starting motor solenoid switch. If ang sasakyan guys connection, kung yung output niya is 24 volts. This is a battery diagram series circuit, 24 volts output. Negative 12 volts, positive patungo sa negative sa another terminal sa battery 12 volts, then positive patungo sa starting motor solenoid switch terminal, battery terminal. Then Bible verse of the day sa book of John chapter 12 verse 31. Now is the judgment of the world. Now shall the prince of the world be cast out. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa next videos na akong i-upload. Thank you for watching guys, and God bless. To God be all the glory.